Ikea. Ikea. Ikea.
I wonder where this is.
Ikea.
What?
Yeah, I wonder where it is.
It's obviously Ikea, sir.
Obviously.
Well, obviously it's Ikea.
Unless you're blind.
People are climbing these doors, snatching the products up. No, trying to take them. So you need to hide your products, hide everything. If I was a woman, I would definitely carry on an Ikea bag. Don't you think? It's a good idea.
Especially one looking like her.
Definitely carry on an Ikea bag. Beautiful Ikea bag. House, you know, no roof. No big deal. Just had no roof, you know, open window, open parking lot. I mean, who doesn't have a parking lot with like millions of people in it? Some lights, some price tags, see what you got. See what you got all this stuff for. Yeah, no big deal. No big deal at all. Just a huge house. This place is packed. There's a lot of people here. Ikea. Glasses.